Hello everyone, my name is Dev. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will talk about how to get multi-word input from the user and store it in a variable. Now the problem we have without using now we are going to do this using the function called getline. Now what we have now the problem we have without using the function getline is that when you don't use getline, the only the first word of the entire sentence is stored in the variable. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, before we use any functions related to string, the first thing you need to do is include the header file called cstring. So let me include that right here. Okay, so now we can use any function that I'm going to talk about in this upcoming playlist, where I will talk about every basic string related function that can help you solve coding problems in C++. So this is a very basic code that I've written here to show you that we have to use getline to get to store the entire sentence in a variable. Now let's see what I'm talking about. So let's run this program. It says enter the sentence you want to store in string s. Let me store the sentence my name is Dave. Okay. You see the value of s is only my. To tackle this problem, we have the function getline. So let me show you how you use getline. Instead of the C in this line, the code that was on the 7 line, we use the function getline. The getline function takes about two parameters, not about two, exactly two parameters. The first parameter is CIM. It indicates that you want the user to input a value. The second parameter is the name of the variable you want to store the entire sentence in. In our case, we want to store the sentence in the variable s. So let us write s here and put a semicolon after, and we can run the program again and enter the sentence. Let's enter the sentence again. My name is Dev, and as you can see, the value of s is my name is Dev. Now this is actually correct. So this is how you get multi-word input in C++.